What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumberson Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden, and it's been crazy last couple weeks here. My daughter has arrived. She's not quite home yet, but hopefully will be home with us soon. And so we've been dealing with lots of that sort of craziness and stuff. The race car has basically been parked across the street in the trailer over there for, well, since last race, basically. So today is Thursday, tomorrow's Friday the 9th. Tomorrow's Friday the 9th, and that is the first day of Octane Fest, which is normally where we have tough trucks and like figure eights and demo derbies and trailer races and all that stuff. So I've been trying to finagle whether I was even going to race or not. I'm still not 100% sure if I'm going to race this weekend or not, but I'm going to take a moment to get the race car out of the trailer. As you can see, there is some moisture falling from the sky starting right now. I always pick the perfect time to do these things. And the garage is, well, chaos. So I think I'm going to make the attempt here to try to start working on the car. My brother might stop by, help me get some bars welded in, because we all know about the damage in the front of the car that's still there. So yeah, we'll see where this video goes, and we'll see if I actually race this weekend, or if things with higher priorities take precedence. So we'll get started here and go from there. So let's get to work. Okay, the car is mostly cleaned up. This is the damage we're talking about here. All busted out, and it's all wowied and cracked out down here. And there's a handful of cracks through here. So Chris is here off work. Finally. He's gonna help me get this thing going. What do you think? We just gonna patch and go?
Yeah, I think because we only got a day to go, just do a quick patch up on this, and then when we have more time, we can cut stuff out and fix
really
properly.
Do it? Okay. All right. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill this bad boy, and then we'll probably put a nice little gussety support bar thing in there for now. Heck, I raced it like that for 3 races, so yeah, a better, at least some weld on it and a little bit of support is a heck of a lot more than we had before. Plus we found a couple cracks and throughout the chassis that we're gonna hopefully address. So I'm gonna let Tis start doing his thing. I got to dig out the chop saw so we can start trying to beat to fit and paint to match. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right.
We got a lot of paint.
We got
a big hammer.
Here we go. All right, Chris is, well, he's not done, but he's got a bunch of stuff welded up. He's going to be working on making our little gusset piece thing here. I keep operating under the delusion that I have tires, and that is not the case.
Drag slicks.
Homemade drag slicks, yeah, but they're on, and the couple of tires that are kind of okay looking are on wheels that are trashed, and then of course the one that looks really good got a big hole in the side of it on a trashed wheel, and then that thing's bald. Yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out my tire situation, maybe make a call to the local tire dealer.
Looks like the best tire you have is your right front.
it was brand new last race.
Yeah, go figure.
Go figure, right? So yeah, gonna try to figure the tire situation out while he's doing that, and we'll go from there. So back to time lapse. Just got our bar in here and stuff welded up here, and get a couple other things. What do you think? Gonna hold?
Oh yeah, I should hold as long as you don't hit anything too hard again.
Again. What are you trying to say?
Nothing. Crash Bandit.
Oh, Crash Bandit. Ooh, ouch, ouch. All right. Well, basically, what I've got going here is I'm going to do an oil change because she's needed one. I'll probably change the oil in the transmission as well. Since I changed gears at the beginning of the season, that oil got changed then, so the rear end is good, but we'll do those. And then my regulator here started poofing some fuel out my little hose, breather hose here, so probably means that my diaphragm's got a hole in it, so I'll be fixing that. I think my goal is going to be to get finished up and either load it tonight or get it to where it's really easy to load first thing tomorrow. And
how does that hold air?
I don't know. This thing, all of my wheels.
Did you have one on the hobby stock that looked like that? That was like the only one that held air.
Oh, dude, it had so many rips and tears and bends and stuff in it. I don't know how it held air. I wish I still had that thing just so I could show people.
That's one we should have hung up on the wall.
Right? Made a clock out of it or something?
That thing was tore up for like 3 seasons.
Dude, and it never
held air. It was the only one that
lost
never
air.
went flat.
Yeah, never went flat.
Jeez. Whatever.
We were running radials, so
yeah.
like we didn't really have to swap a whole bunch of tires or nothing. They didn't really wear out that much. So alright guys, I'm gonna let Tis go home.
Yeah.
Alright.
Go home, crash. Crash and binge.
You wanna, I know it's not the sign off, but do you wanna do your thing?
Yeah, alright, I'll do it. I'll do it. You guys probably miss me anyways.
Right?
Until next time, keep the dirty side down.
Alright, I'm gonna keep working here and I'll be back to you guys in a second. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for me tonight. My regulator diaphragm did have a hole in it. I don't know if we can there you can kind of see it there. So I got that changed out. How I knew that was doing that is over here. Here's my regulator. Sorry it's dark out here, guys. Here's my hose going off the breather from the regulator, and I was spitting fuel out of my little hose here, or it would be out of this little fitting. That's how I knew. So got that changed. Luckily I had one. Changed the oil. The only thing I don't have is so my transmission's supposed to be straight 50 weight. I didn't have a bottle of straight 50 weight, so I haven't changed my transmission fluid. I will hopefully be able to pick up a bottle before I race. If I do race, we will see. Tis got the car at least buttoned up or welded together, so it wasn't just broken apart. I put a little brace in there for me until we can come back and fix it properly, but that's a whole lot safer than it was. I got to get the front nose put back together, get the cross piece in, all of that happy stuff, but not going to do a whole lot more. I do have one more tire to break down. I was looking at everything I had, and out of all the stuff that I unloaded out of the trailer, I have a bald tire on a good wheel, and that's it. That's what I got as far as spares and things like that, other than what's on the race car. So hopefully I'll be able to get some tires at the track if that's what if I make it there, yeah, here we go. So hopefully the next video is at the racetrack and going racing. If not, well then I'll let you guys know what happened, but stay tuned. I really appreciate all you guys watching and sticking with me. I really do. It's fun putting these videos and stuff together, and it's really cool that you guys watch and are hanging out with me doing it. So yeah, anyways, I am exhausted. I am going to finish buttoning up what I can, and then hopefully go get some sleep. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns down below. My brother already said to keep the dirty side down. Hit up the Lumsden Motorsports Facebook page, and yeah, we'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.